TechnoIllustrator. Getting to know Paint. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Open an image. Click on File. Open. Select File to be opened, click Open. Or, press Alt-F, press O. Select File to be opened, click Open. Step 3. Resize an image. Click the Resize button, select the Pixels Radio button, and uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio input 150 on the horizontal and vertical size, click OK. Step 4. Skew an image. Click the Resize button on Skew Degrees, input 20 on the horizontal and vertical, click OK. Step 5. Save an image. Click on File. Click Save As. Upon clicking Save As, the Save As window will appear. Find the folder where you want to save your file, type the name of the file in the File Name box, click Save. Your file is now saved.